Hello and welcome to Fohhn. Nice to have you here. Today I would like to take you through the company and show you where and how our products are made. Let's start right here in the Fohhn experience world. Our passion for music is evident everywhere. Symphony, big band and world of music are our seminar and meeting rooms. Numerous training courses, meetings and video conferences take place here. And right here, a new product idea is born. Of course, it's still a long way to go from the idea to the final product. And it takes many specialists, creative minds and skilled craftsmen before we hold the first prototype in our hands. Our R&D consists of the acoustics, mechanics, electronics and software departments. This is the place where people measure, solder, program, test, revise and optimize until everything is perfect. In addition to the best sound, we pay particular attention to the durability of our products. The goal is 100,000 hours of safe operation, and we give you a 5-year guarantee on all our systems. Each product is subjected to various endurance tests in this specially built torture chamber. This machine simulates a bumpy road. The development of digital technologies and software has always been important to us. The current milestone is certainly the 3D simulation software Fohhn Design. And that lives here. Here we provide the resources for this web-based application in the form of this constantly growing server farm. The Fohhn family currently has almost 100 members. Now we are visiting administration and sales. This is where suppliers are found, orders are placed, customs declarations are carried out and all the other paperwork is done. We are always at your side with advice and action. Customer support, technical support and planning engineers are always happy to assist you. The best thing in life are the breaks. Finally united under one roof, we now meet more often in everyday life. The breaks are best spent in our canteen or with a great view on one of the terraces. Over 100 different speaker models, system amplifiers in all performance classes, a wide range of accessories and. All of this requires countless components and a large number of different small parts. More than 6,200 items. No less than 550 different types of screws are stored on 3 floors and 2,500 square meters. Over the course of a year, we process more than 16 tons of wood and over 4 kilometers of aluminium profiles into loudspeakers. Wherever possible, we rely on regional suppliers and quality parts from Europe. Because sustainability is just as important to us as the high quality of our products. However, should something ever break, all Fohhn products can generally be repaired. In doing so, we are making a conscious statement against the throwaway mentality and the waste of resources. We have all speakers in black and white color in stock, but special requests are always welcome. We meet all color requests, and thanks to Fohhn Texture Design, we can even provide photorealistic surfaces for many of our products. If it doesn't fit, even the length of the enclosures can be made to measure. Here in the pre-assembly line, a lot of manual work goes into our products. The assemblies are created from many individual parts. Fohhn started manufacturing sound systems in 1993. During this time, we have continuously developed and expanded our vertical range of manufacture. It's no longer just about speakers. The heart of a sound system is certainly the electronics. Our system amplifiers are developed and manufactured here in-house. No device leaves the factory without a comprehensive check by our specialists. All electronic devices also spend the night at the burn-in. In this way we ensure that there is no rude awakening, even after installation. Here the final assembly takes place, at the total of 10 workstations. The result is the final product. Precisely coordinated processes, experience and the passion for the product are reflected in the high manufacturing standard of our entire portfolio. These eyes see everything. The Quality Assurance Department uses a variety of tests to ensure the quality of all materials used and thus contributes to the fulfillment of our high standards. In a final test, our speakers have to show what they can do. The correct function of the product is determined in a specially developed measuring process. There's always a good mood in our shipping department. Sure, it's kind of Christmas here every day. Carefully packaged, we ship from here all over the world. By the way, we usually deliver standard products from stock. That shortens the delivery time. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. We look forward to welcoming you at our Fohhn Spa. See you soon.